3D objects. Names and properties of 3D objects. Rectangular prism. Shapes of faces 6 rectangles. Curved or flat faces 6 flat faces. Cylinders. Shapes of faces 2 circles and 1 curved rectangle. Flat or curved faces 2 flat faces and 1 curved face. Spheres. A sphere. Shapes of faces 1 round surface. Flat or curved faces, it is a round curved surface. A hemisphere, half a sphere. Shapes of faces 1 circle and 1 round surface. Flat or curved faces 1 flat face and 1 round curved surface. Pyramids. A pyramid is named according to the shape of its base. The base is the shape at the bottom of the pyramid. Pyramids are often identified by an apex. This is the sharp point at the top of the pyramid. Highlighted in orange is a square, which is the base of the first pyramid. Because the base is a square, the pyramid is called a square-based pyramid. The base of the second pyramid is a triangle, that means the name of this pyramid is a triangular pyramid. The third pyramid has a pentagon as its base, that means the name of this pyramid is a pentagonal pyramid. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and follow my page for more math content.